Welcome back, all viewers, all subscribers. Please consider subscribing if you're new. And people, last night I talked about quad incident with him biker friend Boka. That's a popcorn friend also. And today as my wake is like, me have to talk about our next incident, guys. That nigga here, him name Revel Sixx. Sure enough people familiar with him by now. Is a nigga from Trinidad and Tobago, you see me? Yeah man, and you see that nigga beside him name Clean. Two of them come from Trinidad and Tobago. The one in I red shirt with the spliff in my mouth, him drop out first. Then the other youth come drop out, the black youth after. Them and squash them link. You see me? And people, I don't know who don't know this by now, but man like me will observe the music industry. Them a link from around 2017 them time then. I go there longer, you see me peeps. But the thing is, the nigga, when he Revel Sixx, it just so sudden, guys, you see it? Like me, sure enough people would expect this. Today you're there, tomorrow you're not. And I just them thing them here talk about. But anyways, guys, this person known as Revel Sixx was also a musician, an artist. You see me? Music him do. But seems like, you know, certain of them involved in a certain things, cause a 20 shot they dog get. You see me differently. And him now clear and the same nigga ya. Him and them used to part differently. Him a shot him get him no sick and dead neither. So I'm just assure you say probably this a lead up from film thing. Same way a feed them thing, you see me people. Cause me, we understand said what happened done at me, you know. Me just analyze certain things and I put certain things together. And me feel like them involved in some really serious thing where it a impact on the whole of them. You get me people? So I'ma say squash, change him DP on Instagram and put that nigga here name Revel Sixx. For sure you say. I really link them way there, you see me guys? Yeah man. Well guys, I'm not sure if you know just pick up on just a show in another video clip there, but a Jamil song did a play upon the cruising ship, you see me? And is actually a series by Dwayne Johnson Durak, and it feature upon HBO TV and them look overseas thing there, you see me? But it's a good look for no say the dog music. I reach out there to the peak, you see me? Good song talk for itself, you know, people. Yes, April. I don't have to say nothing more from this, because I'm sure no, and any Jamaican artist song can get featured in a certain big show or even series or any one of them clippings there site. You see me guys, so congratulations to them man the same way that a Jamil car. If I did some other artists, some people then I get be props, you see me.
No mention my name, them no feeling on the night. And to home, a little Brucey, could go without a night. No girl can't style me, suck your mother Foota Hype. Keep yourself to yourself, no you know everybody.
Up top peeps, I don't know the style, so Intence send out a one diss track for Foota Hype right after the boy get bright. You see me people? And this is what Foota Hype come out and said, you see me? The dog say, yo, the look I give when Royal Len TLC tell me, say the local sprat DJ say, suck your mother Foota Hype. Me have one question for him. Why you do it, Junker? Why you blood clot do it? You see me? The man ain't ready yet, you know, but for all who I care and know, the money I eat that. If you're smart, intense, and follow up them brother, yeah, them money are selected, dog, you see me? No, you're not gain from that. The right thing I do still, once, suck your mother and it done this, so please like, subscribe, and share, guys.